mostly getting your head. Face, so. I have a black eye. It's not super focused because I can't see it because it keeps fogging up.
Maybe I bring it closer?
Yeah, let's do that. I just definitely want to make sure that all the red is here. Maybe hold it slightly up and over that way. But this angle needs to be perfect. Oh, that's gonna be amazing. That's gonna be pretty cool.
That is gonna be beautiful.
I was trying to see if I could shoot, you know, have you in there and then shoot.
Oh, I like that.
And this one, that was the first one. I was like, yeah, black eye.
Tummy punch me.
Let's, real quick, can I just take this off? And
Yeah.
It's just really pretty. Let's see if... Yeah. Let's try to do it this way. I'm going to do a vertical. So bring it farther down. Okay, let's try this. No idea how long I've been trying to do this. Let's keep going. Okay. I think we need to turn the mirror upside down because the black splotches are directly in our eyes, which I love because it's spooky. But sorry. Yeah, I think it might be a little bit bright. Ooh, come get your eye right in the middle of this. Can you stand here for me? And I think I would like to shoot. Fancy, very fancy Pringles and camera. Sorry, thinking many things. I'm seeing a little bit too much of the fence.
Yeah, do that tilt. I just need to. So counterintuitive to
Move the opposite way of what you're trying to go to, so sit there. I do want to get like a close-up portrait, and I want you to reflect light into your face.
Okay.
Because I'm still in that dumb strobes with this technique, and I really want to, but I'm not fiddling with that at the moment. Oh, that will help immensely. Awesome. For all the other stuff we're gonna do, I'm just gonna make it probably really moody, so I'm not too worried about like super clear face. And plus, your face is shrouded half the time anyway.
That's true.
Because this is the viewfinder.